Franklin Templeton is an American-based company. It is a mutual fund house which manages over $700 billion globally. In India, it is the ninth largest fund. On 23rd April, there was a shocking announcement made by this mutual fund house that it was shutting down 6 of its debt schemes. So there was a lot of panic that gripped the market all of a sudden. And immediately we started getting a lot of frantic phone calls and emails from various investors. So well, this video is addressing 5 of the most commonly asked questions. First of all, what actually happened? Second, why did it happen? Why did the schemes shut down? Third, when will the existing investors get their money back? Fourth, will it affect other mutual funds? And lastly, how should the investment strategy be in this uncertain time, in this time of uncertainty? So, well, let's begin answering 5 of the most frequently asked questions. First of all, what happened was, please understand, the company has not shut down. The mutual fund house has not shut down. Simply 6 debt schemes of this particular company have been shut down. So these 6 were actually debt funds. There are different types of funds. You've got equity funds, debt funds, hybrid funds. A debt fund is basically when an investor gives money to this company, to the mutual fund, and the mutual fund invests this money in various debt instruments of different companies. जैसे कोई debentures या the company invests in bonds, in commercial papers, in certificate of deposits. These are debt instruments. So 6 debt instruments बंद हुए हैं. The total amount of these 6 schemes, the total amount that's gotten blocked up in these 6 schemes is over 26,000 crore rupees. That is what we are talking about right now. So why did this happen? Why did this entire fiasco actually happen? Due to COVID-19, due to this pandemic, there is a lot of negative sentiment in the market, and hence people want to play it safe. The investors feel safe with their money in their hand. Hence, they started going to the mutual fund house and said, please हमको हमारा पैसा वापस दे दीजिए, which is fair enough. So the mutual fund redeemed the funds and gave the money back to the investor. This started happening a lot. A lot of investors started running to the fund saying हमें हमारा पैसा वापस दे दीजिए. पर कंपनी की ये जो कंपनी पैसा उनको वापस दे रही है, फ्रैंकलिन टेम्पल्टन जो पैसा वापस दे रही थी, इवन दे हैव सर्टेन लिमिटेशंस. दे हैव कैश रिजर्व्स, यस, दे कंप्लीटली एग्जॉस्टेड द कैश रिजर्व्स. वो पैसा होने के बाद भी फिर उन्होंने बाहर से लोन्स लिए, बोरोइंग करके लोगों के पैसे वापस देना शुरू कर दिया. पर इस बोरोइंग के लिए भी एक लिमिट होती है. सो लगभग 1 अप्रैल से लेके 22 अप्रैल तक 5,000 करोड़ रुपए फ्रैंकलिन टेम्पल्टन ने रिडीम कर दिए, वापस दे दिए. एंड फाइनली on 23rd April, it made this shocking announcement saying अब से हम पैसा वापस नहीं दे सकते. Now does it mean ये पैसा वापस कभी नहीं मिलेगा? जी नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. So when will that's the third question, when will the existing customers, the existing investors get back their money? Will they get back their money? Yes, certainly. So Franklin Templeton has issued a letter to all the investors which says that they will get back their money, no doubt about it, but it might take some time because the company is going to start selling off their assets, start selling off these securities, gather the funds and then give it to the existing investors. So the frequency of payment is not yet fixed, but what they have said is at the earliest opportunity they would want to repay their investors, and as a gesture of goodwill they have also forgone the management fee. So जो fees charge करती है company, they have said we will not charge this management fee from the investors of these 6 funds. That actually brings us to the fourth question. What if I have invested in other funds? ये 6 schemes छोड़ के कोई अलग स्कीम में मैंने इन्वेस्ट किया है फ्रैंकलिन टेम्पल्टन के, या आपने इस कंपनी में नहीं कोई दूसरी कंपनी में इन्वेस्ट किया है, म्यूचुअल फंड में इन्वेस्ट किया, तो उसको अफेक्ट होगा क्या? Well, the company has issued a clarification saying that only these 6 been shut down. They've said it is not going to affect other schemes of the company. So इक्विटी फंड्स को तो जरूर कोई इक्विटी म्यूचुअल फंड को अफेक्ट नहीं हो रहा, ये सिर्फ डेट म्यूचुअल फंड को अफेक्ट हो रहा है. द बॉन्ड मार्केट्स आर गेटिंग illiquid. There's a lot of liquidity crunch in the bond market, due to which this issue is actually happening. So well, if you are an existing mutual fund investor, if you are an equity investor, you need not worry as much as well if you are a debt mutual fund investor. If you have investments in any debt mutual fund, please revisit your portfolio. Please have a nice, fair, frank chat with your financial advisor. Be open about your risk appetite. If need be, if the risk is kind of high, it will be prudent to exit the mutual fund just as a precautionary measure. Be prudent, take necessary precautionary steps, and be cautious if you are a debt investor. So this brings us to the last question, which is a very common question being asked everywhere. How should my investment strategy be? Should I keep cash? Should I play it safe and not invest right now? Or should I actually start deploying cash? Should I start investing? The basic suggestion would be, basic advice would be to avoid debt funds for some more time. In the near future, you can, in these uncertain times, you can actually avoid pumping in money in debt mutual funds. And whenever you are going to invest, please invest according to your risk appetite. Do not take unnecessary risks in these uncertain situations, in these uncertain times. Also, please check the credit rating before investing. The credit rating of the various instruments before you're actually investing your money in it. It's your hard-earned money. What happened, if you actually check what happened in Franklin Templeton, the investors were chasing higher returns. And of course, the rule says, जितना आपको high return चाहिए उतना high risk भी होता ही है. So please check the credit rating. Ensure you are investing in highly credit rated instruments. So check your risk appetite, invest according to your risk appetite. Do not invest in low rated funds, low rated securities, and avoid any panic decisions. Avoid knee jerk reactions. Just play it calm. Your money is not going anywhere. It might take time. You're going to get back all your money. So please avoid knee jerk reactions. Please avoid panic selling. Fear and greed are two sentiments that you need to keep away while investing. So do not worry, play it safe, be prudent, be cautious. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, The Finance Yogi, and do press the bell icon to stay updated about our upcoming videos. If you have any suggestions or questions, please do leave it in the comment section below. Also, if you have any more queries regarding other topics, if you would like me to make any video on it, please do post that in the comment section as well. Thank you and happy investing.